Hello, kindergarten friends. Today we're going to continue on our letter writing practice. So, just like we did last time, I need you to go get your dry erase marker and your sheet protector and something to erase with, and then come back and continue the video, okay? Okay, kindergarten, when you come back with your dry erase marker, okay, I want you to snap, crackle, and pop it, okay? You should be ready to go. All right, once you have your markers, we are going to start with our letter F. Say F. Nice. All right, here we go. So for the letter F, I want you to start here at the top, make a straight line down, take your marker off, bring it back to the top, and cross. Then you're gonna bring it to about the middle of the line and cross. And there you go. That's the letter F. Say F. Great job. Erase. Now let's make a lowercase f. The lowercase f is pretty similar. You just want to start about here and then curve it around. It reminds me of like a cane, like a candy cane or a hook or the part of the umbrella, but it's upside down, like the handle. And then you just want to cross it there in the middle. Say F. Nice. All right, so just like we did before, I'm going to show you what it would look like if we had a kindergarten line. So here's our sky. And here's our middle grassy area. And then here's our dirt area, okay? So the capital F is going to start here in the sky, come straight down to the bottom line, cross it on that top line, cross it there on that middle line. That's capital F. Lowercase f starts about here, curve it around, stop there on the ground, and then cross it there in the middle. So do you notice that they're both tall? Yeah, even though that's a lowercase letter, it's still tall, like the capital F. F. Nice. Erase. And we're going to go on with the letter G. G. Say G with me. G. Excellent. For G, we're going to make like a half circle. So it's kind of like this, but then you stop, okay? And once you get there, you just bring a little line over. Pretty neat, huh? Say G. G. That's a pretty fun letter to make. All right, the lowercase g is kind of low. Starts here, you make a circle, and then it goes into the ground, just like G. Ground. Pretty neat. I like this one because it's one of the first letters that we go into the ground. So let me show you what that means when we use our kindergarten handwriting lines. Here's the sky, here's the middle grassy area, and then here is the ground. So what we do for the capital G, we start up here, close to the sky, we make a half circle, stop there, right on the dashed grass area, and cross it back this way. Now, our lowercase g is going to be a circle that starts in the grassy area, close it up, take your marker off, but then bring it here onto the side and make the rest of that little hook fall under the ground. And that's your lowercase g. Say it with me, G. Nice. All right, go ahead and erase that one. And then we're going to move on to the letter H. H. Can you say that with me? H. Nice. All right, here we go. H is pretty fun. Straight lines. You're going to make one straight line down, and then right close to it, another straight line down. And notice how they're pretty equal. And then right in the middle, you're going to cross it. And that's H. H. Capital H. When you're done making that, erase. And then let's make our lowercase h, which is tall. Start with a straight line down, then come back right up and make like a little hill that comes up and over. Say H. H. Very nice. Now that's a tall letter, so it stays up in the sky. Here's the kindergarten line. That's the sky. Here's the grassy area. And here is the ground. Let me show you how that H looks. Here's the tall H, capital H, starts at the top in the sky, stop right there on the ground. Bring another line down, okay? And then cross it right there in the grassy area in the middle. Isn't it neat how you have these lines here to help you? For the lowercase h, we want to start at the sky, the tall lowercase letter. You stop down here, but when you want to bring the hook up and around a little hill, you know where to bring it, because you want to bring that little hill up to where that little grassy area is, your dash line. And there you go. That's your lowercase h. Say it with me. H. H. Nice. Go ahead and erase that. Our next letter we're making today is I. Say I with me. I. I. Very nice. We're going to make the I, the capital I, by making one straight line down, like this. Straight line down. And then we're going to take our marker off and then come up to the top and cross it at the top, and then cross it at the bottom. And that's your letter I. I. Capital I. Lowercase I is half the size, so we start about in the middle, okay? And then we bring it down, and then dot it. Don't forget to dot that I, okay? Nice. And make sure you dot it so that you can see it. Let me show you the size of these letters by drawing our kindergarten lines. Okay, here's the sky, here's the grassy area, and here is the ground. Okay, we're going to start it by making the capital I, a nice long straight line, and then we're going to cross it at the top, cross it at the bottom. That's I. Lowercase I, we start it here at the dash line, make a straight line down, and then we stop in the dirt area. Then we dot it right in between the sky and the grass area. We dot it right there. There you go. And that's the letter I capital and the letter I lowercase. See how the lowercase I is half the size? Nice job, kindergarten. All right, now we're gonna move on to the letter J. 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 Here we go. For the letter J, we want to make a straight line and then hook it around. So now it really looks like an umbrella hook. Yeah, like an umbrella handle. That looks like Miss Edmiston's holding an umbrella. And then we want to cross it at the top. Say it with me. J. J. And then here's your lowercase j. For lowercase j, we just want to start about in the middle. And it's just like the lowercase, just like the capital J, but it's lowercase, and then we just want to dot it. And that's our next letter that falls into the ground. And let me show you with our kindergarten line. Here's the sky. Here's the grassy area. And here is the ground. Okay? So, the capital J starts here in the sky. We start our hook right when we see that brown area, the grass, and then we want to cross it right there up in the sky. Lowercase j, we're going to use our grassy area to start, and then we're going to bring it into the ground and then make our hook, and then we're going to dot it just like the I in between the sky line and the grassy line. J. J. Nice job, kindergarten. All right. Our next letter is the letter K. Say it with me. K. K. Let's make our K. It's a nice straight line. This one's a little tricky because we have to learn how to make kind of like a slanted line. And that means we start over here, bring it to about the middle, and then slant it the other way. That can get tricky. So practice it. You might have to do it one more time. Erase. Make one straight line. Okay, take your marker off. Find where the top of your K is. Go a little bit over. Start there, but try to find the middle of your K. And then stop there. Okay, it's okay if you want to take your marker off, but put your marker right back to that middle spot and then try to cross it, but stop about where the bottom is of your K. There you go. See how they're about the same spot? Nice. That's your capital K. The lowercase k is also a tall letter, but the slants are a little bit different. So we're gonna start tall, but we want to start our slanted line, not here at the top. We wanna bring it down a little. So about here. I wanna bring it about there, and then bring it to the bottom. Say it with me, K, K, nice. All right, let me show you the size of these letters with our kindergarten mark. Here's our sky. Here's our grassy area. And here is the ground, okay? So our capital K starts here, that's in the sky area. Bring it straight down, okay? Stop there when you get to the ground. Then you want to start back here up at the sky and then bring it down to that middle dash line, the grass. And then bring your marker right here to the starting point, and then cross it right there. Excuse me. And that's your capital K. Your lowercase k, turn it this way so you can see it a little bit better, is going to start at the top, just like your capital K, but we're not going to start the lowercase k up here in the sky. We're going to start it in the middle of the sky and the grassy area, so about here. Bring it to that middle line, okay? And then start there again, but bring it to the bottom. And you see how they're very similar? The only difference is that the capital K goes to the top and the lowercase k starts about in the middle, okay? That is the letter K. Nice job. What a nice. Our last letter for today is the letter L. Can you say L with me? L. The letter L is a straight line, and then you cross it at the bottom. Say with me, L. L. The lowercase l is pretty neat. It's just a straight line. L. L. That's a lowercase l. It looks like the number 1. Nice. Erase that. And let's make our kindergarten line so we can see what that looks like. See their sizes. There's your sky. Here's your grass. And here is the ground. So this letter, L, stays up in the sky. That's where we start. Bring it straight down, past the grass and onto the ground. Then we cross it on that ground line, okay? Sometimes when you're using kindergarten line paper, you don't really see the bottom part of the L, but that's where you want to cross it, okay? For the lowercase l, you just want to make a straight line. It starts right at the top in the sky, and you just bring it straight down, right onto that ground line. That is your letter L. Capital L, lowercase l. Say it with me, L. Nice job, friends. Let's make a big smiley face. The board's acting a little wonky today, isn't it? Nice job, friends. So proud of you. Make sure that you snap, crackle, pop your markers. That means if you've been using your marker, and of course, if you want some free time to just draw on your sheet protector, you can do that, okay? When you're done drawing, make sure that you take your marker and you snap, crackle, and pop it, okay? You know it's shut when you hear that pop. And put this in your supply bag so it doesn't dry up. And I'm so proud of you. Hopefully I can finish these videos today after some of my activities that we have to do, and then I'll continue on with the few letters that we have left, okay? Can't wait to see some of your pictures. Have your parents snap some pictures of you writing your letters, because I'd love to see some of your pictures during your e-learning time. Bye, friends. Super job.